Updated Willow Lake Crossing condo. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, den and flex room off primary bedroom. Kitchen remodel by Richard's Kitchens in 2018 includes quartz countertops, tile backsplash/floor, center island/bar, and stainless steel appliances. Newer engineered hardwood flooring in hall, laundry, and flex room. Great room and formal dining area share a corner gas fireplace with blower. New tankless gas water heater 2020, new gas furnace/central air. Additional features include marble windowsills, plantation blinds/shutters, covered patio, and extra attic insulation. View of the pond from the den. Monthly association fee of $225. Enjoy the use of the pool, pond, clubhouse, library, and exercise room.